We have an official job notification from the Government Medical College and General Hospital in Paderu. The administration is looking to fill 43 vacancies across various paramedical posts. These contract roles offer valuable experience and competitive pay. The vacancy table shows specific openings for audiometry, cardiology, operation theater technicians, and library assistants, with clearly defined salaries. The bulk of this drive sits in row 3, 35 emergency medical technician slots, strictly allocated across reservation categories via roster points. Between this solid monthly remuneration and the sheer volume of EMT slots, local medical professionals have a high probability target here to get into the government system. To apply, you need to clear the age brackets. The absolute upper age limit is set at 42 years old. You must calculate your exact age as of January 1, 2026. There is flexibility depending on your category. SC, ST, BC, and EWS candidates get an extra 5 years. Ex-servicemen get 3 years on top of their service time, and differently abled applicants are granted a 10-year relaxation. Checking the educational requirements reveals a critical detail. Having your intermediate pass, BSc, or specialized diploma is required, but it is not enough on its own. Notice this repeated line across the posts. You must be actively registered with the AP Paramedical Board or the Rehabilitation Council of India. If your registration is pending, lapsed, or you never applied for it, your degree will not get you past the initial screening. Active council registration is mandatory. This recruitment involves 0 written exams. The entire selection is based on a 100-point merit system, broken down into 3 specific components: academics, seniority, and prior service. 75. Every full year that has passed since you got your qualification certificate earns you 1 point, capped at a maximum of 10 points. The final 15% is service weightage, awarded to candidates who already have contract or outsourcing experience. This is calculated geographically. You earn 2.5 marks per 6 months in a tribal area, 2 marks in rural areas, and 1 mark in urban areas. There is also a highly specific allowance for candidates who rendered COVID-19 service, calculated at 0.8 marks per completed month. Because those service and seniority points stack up quickly, a candidate with average academic scores but years of prior tribal service can mathematically overtake a recent graduate with perfect grades. Moving to the paperwork, the application fee is 200 rupees for OC candidates and 150 rupees for BC candidates. SC, ST, physically challenged, and EWS candidates pay nothing. Note that the notification text mentions a demand draft, but the application form has a field for online payment only. Verify the exact payment method with the GMC Paderu office before transferring funds. Local status rules are strict here. You are only considered a local candidate if you can prove you studied from 4th to 10th class strictly within the borders of the erstwhile Visakhapatnam district. When you sit down with the physical application form, print clearly in block letters. Ensure you firmly affix a recent passport-sized color photograph in the designated box on the top right. Down in the grid sections, you must accurately map out your school history from class 4 to 10. For service weightage, your contract history goes right here and must exactly match your official service certificates. Finally, work through the official checklist. Ensure you have attached copies of your marks memos, the latest CAST or EWS certificates, study certificates, and your valid paramedical board registration. The deadline to submit this completed physical application directly to the GMC Paderu office is June 12, 2026 by 5 p.m. Applications sent by post or email will be rejected. Subscribe to the channel to get alerted the moment merit lists drop. Securing one of these 43 posts relies entirely on your ability to prove your math. Track down the exact study and service certificates required, double-check your application grids, and get your paperwork submitted on time.